pretty. Does she mean you forgot about me? Or I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. Can't let you go. So find some great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happy. Do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you'll ever meet? Remember when I believed, and meant it when you said it first to me. I hope you're happy. I think I'll be